not split with you. It is our duty, it's our responsibility to promote good health among them. Because if something should happen right now, whom would you call? I mean, when you're living with somebody, you have to bring up and live a healthy, normal life. So those are some of the purposes. You come and write reports. Sunny's even mentioned it. Because they are chasing them and things, they will go and do 5 visits, then give you the correct. They will add it. They will add up. Okay, and then you see at the end of every day, almost every.
Where is it? So guys, we are coming to the salon. I have a class. Can you see? No. What did you say?
We are going to school. It's not easy.
It's not easy, my dear. It is not. Oh, you can feel my pain, eh? Yeah, easy one. Oh, it is well, eh? To wash my man. Na time no me obi ante. Me jina it is the come go defend you. Me besane a chako. Me studio, Allah. See you, Papa.
Oh.
Good evening. I'm not washing. Refi, why? This is so